Hey guys, Scott from scottsweb.dev here. Today I'm going to do a beginner tutorial on how to use Google Fonts on your website. You will need to edit code for this, but if you're looking up this tutorial, you should already be at that point. So Google Fonts makes it really easy to use their fonts in your website. So I have this basic page set up here. It's just two sentences with the default browser font. So we're going to use a Google font on these. So we'll go to our Google Fonts page, which is fonts.google.com. I searched for Roboto font. So we'll just click on that. And then up here, we'll click this Get Font button. After you click Get Font, you have one font in your pseudo cart here. Click Get Embed Code and copy this code it gives you right here at the top. Open your code editor and paste this in the head of your page. The head will be between the opening and closing head tags. So we pasted this code here in our page. We'll save the page. If we go back and refresh, you'll notice that it still looks the same. We need to apply this font family to the text. So this text has a class name of text. So in our CSS, we'll do .text, which is our class name, and font family Roboto, and a fallback font of sans serif. Having a fallback font is important, and this should be like a system built-in font because while the browser is waiting for Google Font to download and apply it to the document, it will use this built-in font. And you'll notice at the end of the URL, it has display equals swap. So after Google Fonts has loaded, it will take the built-in font and apply the Google font in its place, so it swaps it out. So you'll notice if I put the font family Roboto here, and then I go back and refresh the page, this sentence is now in our Google font. So we have successfully used it. If you want to do more than one Google font, used to people would copy a bunch of different of these codes in their head and they would have multiple calls to Google Fonts, but Google now combines them into one link ref here. So we'll search for another font, like we'll do Poppins. We'll go here, we'll click Get Font. It added it to our pseudo font cart. We'll click Get Embed Code, and now you'll see this embed code has Poppins and it has Roboto. So we'll just copy this code, and we'll go back here and replace the code that we used before. And we do this if we want to use multiple fonts. So now I have Poppins and Roboto loaded in. I'll give our second element, which is class name more text. So your class equals more text. In our CSS, it's dot more text. So we'll give that a font family of Poppins. And again, a fallback font. And then we'll reload our page. And now this first sentence is Roboto, the second one is Poppins. So it's really easy to get Google Fonts up and going on your website. In the next video or in a future video, I'll show you how to load Google Fonts without it affecting your page speed. That's a bit more of an advanced tutorial if you're worried about your page speed score. But I am just starting this channel and I'm trying to grow an audience. So if this video was helpful, please like, please subscribe to my channel. We have lots more how-to videos coming. I hope this helped you get Google Fonts up and running on your website. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.